Building dynamic web applications and working with JST template files. These define HTML structures with embedded JavaScript for client-side rendering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to edit and use these JavaScript template files. We're tackling this JST file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. A user encountering a JST file is likely a web developer working with a JavaScript framework or library. These files contain HTML markup mixed with JavaScript code, used as templates to dynamically generate web page content. The primary user intent is to edit the template's structure or logic. JST files are plain text designed for human readability and easy integration into web development workflows. They use specific delimiters, e.g., %at %, %, to embed JavaScript variables and control structures within HTML. This design allows for the separation of presentation, HTML, from application logic. To gain full access to JST, the application needed is Microsoft Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows does not evaluate developer scripts directly, requiring supported execution software. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the JST file and hit Open With. Use Microsoft Visual Studio Code if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the JST file won't open, don't panic. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, editing in code editor. Open JST files in Visual Studio Code WebStorm or Sublime Text with HTML syntax, highlighting and template language plugins for full editing support. Extensions specific to your templating library like _Lodash or EJS provide accurate syntax highlighting and auto-completion for template directives within the HTML structure. Next, compiling templates. Use the _ command or build tools like Webpack with template loaders to compile JST files into JavaScript functions. Run npm install Lodash, then write build scripts that import templates and generate compiled output. The compiled functions accept data objects and return rendered HTML strings ready for insertion into the DOM. Finally, migrating to modern frameworks. Consider migrating JST templates to modern component frameworks like React Vue or Svelte, which provide more powerful and maintainable approaches to client-side rendering. JSX in React provides similar template-like syntax with stronger type safety. The migration preserves your HTML structure while gaining the ecosystem benefits of modern web development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.